this is Jacqueline from K&CC right here. So I've started a new line of products. I've been doing this stuff for a while. You guys have been following me. But my new line of products is K&CC Customs. So if you're someone who have an issue needing a larger size bag and you can't find it, I do hand custom leather bags and more. And I actually just finished this beautiful bag. This is going to be my very own. Just kind of talking about it here. Got one. And so this is where I started from, guys. Just this big hide that I made it from. So I certainly look forward to talking with you. This is Jacqueline, 803-479-9844. If you have any needs for a shoe and a bag, I'm your girl. All right.